future cast, you'll notice not a whole lot going on today. We will start to see those clouds building in though ahead of that frontal system as we head through tonight. This is midnight tonight, still looking dry. As we head into tomorrow morning, I think a lot of us are still going to be dry there as well. So that's good news. By lunchtime, we may see a few showers, may see a few flakes there on the eastern shore, but things will really start moving in as we head through 3 p.m. or so. You'll notice a lot of us will still be milder. So a lot of the precip will be falling as rain. So we can see that for the peninsulas there, the eastern shore will start off as rain. As we head into 6 p.m., this is actually an update because now it's keeping us a little warmer. It was painting in a little bit of snow. So this is, our models continuing, even though we're only a day away from this, continuing to go back and forth. But earlier it was painting in some snow. So I'm just actually seeing this with you guys for the first time. And then as that colder air moves in though, we're going to continue to see that switch over to snow. So our temperatures are going to be right around or just above that freezing mark. So we could see a little bit of that rain snow mix, or we could see a little bit of plain snow once that colder air kind of filters in, but it's going to be a very wet snow. When we get those temperatures above that freezing mark, you get a very wet snow. It's hard to accumulate. A lot of times when you get further north, like I used to live in Maine, we used to get a very powdery fine snow because when it was snowing, it was usually 2 degrees. So once you start getting below that freezing mark and you get into the 20s and the teens, you get that nice powdery, fluffy snow. That's not going to be the case as we head into the day tomorrow. By Monday morning, you may see a few flurries. Other than that, it's just going to be cold. It'll be a little on the breezy side. We'll have those wind chills in the teens to kick off Valentine's Day. It is just going to be a very, very cold day. Let's switch over. This is the same exact forecast, but we're going to do it hour by hour with the temperature overlay. So you can kind of see what our temperatures are going to be doing as the colder air filters in. So you'll see the 60s today, cooling to the 50s as we head into the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Now this is noontime tomorrow. We're actually going to start the day off in the 40s, but you'll notice as we step through time here, temperatures are going to be cooling into the 30s as the day goes on. So this is 4 p.m. tomorrow. Still right above that freezing mark. So some of us will be seeing some snow. Some of us will still be dealing with a little bit of rain. This is 7 p.m. You'll notice those temperatures cooling to right about the freezing mark or so for many of us. And then especially as we head overnight Monday, we'll see those temperatures dropping into the 20s and a very, very cold start to our Monday with many of us in the 20s and actually feeling like the teens. So it is going to be a frigid start to your work week. So how much snow are we expecting with this? Well, not a lot. I talked about, the temperatures are going to be right around that freezing mark or right above. So it's going to be a very wet snow, which is hard to accumulate on surfaces. It's also the fact that we've had temperatures in the 60s today, temperatures in the 60s yesterday. We'll be in the 40s as we head into the day tomorrow, but of course we're going to be cooling things down. So we have 2 days where we've been very mild out there. So we have those warm surfaces already. Our Euro model is painting in about a 0 inches to about a dusting, and you can see that there. Our GFS model, about a dusting to 1 inch. Just kind of want to show these models to you to see that they're still really not painting in a whole lot. So this is our forecast though. Most of the area could potentially see a dusting, maybe up to 1 inch in some of our northern communities where we will see some of that colder air. But for the most part, it's not going to be a huge issue. It's not going to be a big snowmaker for us. So here's the bottom line. This is kind of what we are tracking. We'll see those rain snow showers on Sunday. Little accumulation is expected, about 0 to 1 inch. We'll see falling temperatures starting in the 40s on Sunday and then falling to the 30s by Sunday afternoon. And then much colder and windy on Monday. We'll see those wind chills in the teens. Now, one thing that we are going to be concerned about is any refreeze on Sunday because those temperatures will be pretty cold Sunday night into Monday in the 20s. So of course, below that freezing mark. So anything that doesn't really dry up could potentially refreeze and we could have some icy spots on the roadways on Monday. So that's something we are concerned about there. Looking ahead in the forecast, looking pretty good. We have a really nice day today. We've got the kind of messy weather on Sunday, those temperatures falling through the day with that light accumulation of snow. A very cold day on Monday. Could see a couple flurries for Valentine's Day. Not tracking anything huge though. We'll see highs near 39. A little warm up on Tuesday. We'll get up to 49 and then the 60s again on Wednesday, 70s by Thursday, but we do have some afternoon showers in the forecast with our next system. And then we are tracking rain likely on Friday. We'll see highs around 59. So it's kind of crazy. We're tracking the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, and the 70s this week. Classic Hampton Roads, northeastern North Carolina weather. So hopefully I will look over some of your guys' questions on the Facebook Live. I'll get back to that and answer any questions that you guys have. Again, it's not going to be a huge event. The biggest concern we have is maybe any refreeze Sunday into Monday. And of course, if anything humongous changes, we will be updating you guys tonight at 6, 10, and 11. Meteorologist Christy Stewart will be in, and then I'll be in here tomorrow morning with the latest updates. So hopefully everyone has a great day. Get outside, enjoy it, enjoy the sunshine for me. I know I will be once I head out of here. So hopefully everyone has a great Saturday.